listening to The Revenue Engine with Michael Pacheco, a veteran CMO who has driven over $10 billion in revenue in the past decade with strategic marketing and customer-centric leadership. Join your host as he transforms marketing departments from cost centers into profit centers. Prepare to shift your marketing into high gear and drive unprecedented growth.
Are you leveraging data to make smarter decisions? Let's dive into the role of data analytics in modern marketing and how it can help drive more effective strategies for your company. Hi, I'm Michael Pacheco, fractional CMO for health and health-adjacent technology companies, and today I want to discuss the importance of data analytics in modern marketing and how it can transform your decision-making process. Data analytics is crucial because it provides actionable insights into your marketing efforts. By analyzing data, you can understand what's working, what's not, and how to optimize your strategies for better results. We've got four things I want to talk about here. Number one is going to be informed decisions. Data-driven decisions are based on actual performance metrics rather than assumptions or guesswork, leading to more accurate and effective strategies. Pretty straightforward. Numero dos, identifying trends. Data analytics helps you identify trends and patterns in customer behavior, allowing you to anticipate changes and adapt your strategies accordingly. So you're doing a little bit of predictive analytics there, right? Number three is optimizing campaigns. By understanding which aspects of your campaigns are performing well, you can allocate resources more effectively and optimize your marketing spend. Number four, improving customer experience. Analyzing customer data provides insights into their preferences, their behaviors, and it enables you to tailor your marketing efforts to better meet their needs. So tracking the right metrics is also essential for effective data-driven marketing. You got to track the metrics, get the data in order to make decisions based on the data. Pretty straightforward there. Here are some key metrics which you should probably be monitoring. I've got 5 of them all together. Number one is going to be website traffic. You want to measure the number of visitors to your website. You want to measure their sources, where they come from. You want to measure their behavior on your site. What are they clicking on? Where are they going? What are they visiting? How much time are they spending on a page? How far down, up or down the page are they scrolling? If there's multiple links to get off of the page, which ones are they using? What are they clicking on that page? All of that stuff. It tells a story about how the user is using your website and what information it was they were looking for. Tools like Google Analytics can help you do that. Crazy Egg, Hotjar will help with following the user journey as they work through your website. Number two, conversion rates is another one you should be tracking. You want to track the percentage of visitors who go to your website or who take a desired action. What I'm trying to say there is you want to track the percentage of visitors who take a desired action, whether that's on your website or landing page or wherever it is. You want to track those conversion rates. Things like making a purchase, if it's like an e-com store, things like booking a call, filling out a form, whatever it is that you're considering a conversion, that's what you want to track. This metric simply helps you assess the effectiveness of your campaigns. Number three is going to be customer acquisition cost, or CAC, C-A-C. Calculate the cost of acquiring new customer by dividing your marketing expenses by the number of new customers gained. This metric helps you understand the efficiency of your marketing spend. Super important one. Number four is going to be customer lifetime value. You want to estimate the total revenue you can expect from a customer over the course of their lifetime within the ecosystem of your business, of your company. This metric helps you evaluate long-term value of a customer, which helps you understand how much you can spend on gaining a new customer, right? If your customer lifetime value is $50, if your average CLV is $50, you can't spend a whole lot on marketing. If you can come up with a product or service, an offer that increases customer lifetime value to $50,000, you can massively increase your marketing budget to acquire new customers, because they're worth more money. Number five, return on investment. Measure the profitability of your marketing campaigns by comparing the revenue generated to the costs incurred. This metric helps you determine the overall effectiveness of your strategies. Using the right tools and techniques is crucial for effective data analysis. I want to talk about a few tools here that we can use to get started on this. Number one, of course, is Google Analytics. Google Analytics is super powerful for tracking website stuff, user behavior, conversion rates, things like that. They're good with reports, and you can optimize your website, your online presence in terms of your website with something like Google Analytics. If you use HubSpot is an all-in-one marketing platform. They have tons of data that you can collect from them in terms of tracking customer interactions, managing leads, analyzing performance of your marketing, whether that's email or on your website, whatever. SEMrush is another great one, or Ahrefs, Ahrefs. Either one of those tools are fantastic for analyzing SEO performance, competitive analysis, tracking online visibility, things like that. For social media, a lot of people might point to tools like Hootsuite or Sprout Social. One of the ones that I really like is Agorapulse. Agorapulse is fantastic for social media. Really like it. It's a little more pricey, I think, than Hootsuite or Sprout Social, but you get what you pay for.
Are you dreaming of digital domination? Wake up to Boxer, your dream team for web services, marketing logistics, SEO, and content. We don't just help you play the online game, we help you change it. If you're ready to rewrite the rules of your industry's digital landscape, visit boxer.agency today and let's get started.
In conclusion, data analytics plays a critical role in marketing by providing actionable insights, identifying trends, optimizing campaigns, and improving customer experience. By tracking key metrics and using the right tools and techniques, you can make informed decisions and drive better marketing results. So right now, I want you to reflect on your current use of data analytics. I've got 3 questions for you. Number 1, are you tracking the right metrics? You want to think about your goals, your business objectives, and then make sure that your marketing objectives align with their business objectives, and think about what you should be tracking. Are you tracking those metrics? Are you tracking the correct metrics? Are you tracking metrics at all? Question number 2, how effectively are you using data to inform your marketing strategies? Are you creating marketing strategies based on hard data, or are you doing it based on gut feel? Big difference there. Question number 3, what tools and techniques could you implement into your marketing department, into your marketing processes to improve your efforts in this realm of data analysis, of data analytics, of data-driven decision-making, data-driven marketing? So considering these questions can help you leverage data analytics to better enhance your marketing strategies. And if you're struggling with any of this, if you're struggling to incorporate data analytics into your marketing strategy, I'm here to help. Reach out to me, please, and let's chat. It's completely free. I have nothing to sell you, and my only goal here is to provide you with actionable value that you can apply directly to your business. You can get at me on LinkedIn or by reaching out to me directly on my website, michaelpacheco.co. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and let me know what was valuable for you in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're listening to this on a podcast, please give us a review on whatever platform it is you're listening on. All of these things together help us reach more businesses. It helps us help more businesses, and that is our big goal here. So, as always, thank you for doing what you do. I'm Michael Pacheco. Until next time, cheers.
You've been listening to The Revenue Engine with Michael Pacheco. For inquiries into market leadership, tailored strategies, or personalized consulting, visit michaelpacheco.co.